Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on showing taps and touches during our screen recording in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So first of all, we need to go to the settings. Then in settings we are looking for advanced features, and then we need to go to screenshots and screen recordings options. And here we have this option here, show taps and touches. It's a simple on or off switch. So by default, when we record our screen, our every touch or tap will not be visible. So to make it visible, we need to enable this option right here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.